2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. This thing is tore from the floor up. Come and take a look. As you can see, this thing got structure damage. All that's been in there. The belt system is off. Radiator, condenser, the fans. This side over here is pretty good. It's in pretty good shape. Airbags. All the airbags. Seatbelts locked up. As you can see, we got it broke down. So check out the structure. The structure part has bent up. We got to get it pulled down, get it lined back up. Radiator support is all buckled down in between there. So we got to get it pulled out. The radiator, condenser, the fan, all that, we got to change it out. We got to change it out. You know, the belt, you got to put another belt on there. There's 2 sets of belts. This pulley over here is, it's warped. So it won't even spin. Real hard to spin. It's barely spinning, but it need to be spinning freely, like this one over here. I mean, that's how they're supposed to spin, easy. Other than that, I mean, we're gonna get everything lined up. You know, little wires here and there. It's just got a lot of little damage here and there. So we just want to make sure all the wires are good. Yeah, make sure all the wires are good. Horn, I mean, it's buckled up, so we got to get it changed out. What else? I think that's about it. Transmission cooler's pretty good. I don't think we got any leaks, so we should be good on that. Oh yeah, that's where that little indicator go. That'd be on the dash. I guess it tells you how far away you are from a car or something. So we got to figure out where that's at. Other than that, I mean, of course, we got to change the hood. Inside, everything ate up. Steering wheel, bag. Steering wheel seems to be good, but the bag's tore up, so we got to change that out. Passenger side airbag blowed. Seatbelts locked up. Get a picture of them seatbelts. Get a video of them seatbelts. They locked up, so take a look at it. Yeah, they locked up. We got to replace them. Look at the ceiling. Airbags in the ceiling, they got to be replaced. All the lighting. It don't have to be replaced. We just got to get it put back up there. So it'll be like it was before it come in. But yeah, the airbags, they got to come down. We'll replace it. I think that's about it. Man, as you can see, we got the fender on this thing. We got the core support on. This thing was tore up, but we're getting it back together. Check Fetty wop out. This pulley is warped out. We got it changed out. We got a new belt on here. We just waiting on the radiator from the dealership, and we're gonna pin this thing back together. The fans here, the condensers here, even the supercharger cooler's here. We're just waiting on that radiator, and then we can put it back together. Let's check the interior out. On to the interior. We got to change out this dash pad. to get this airbag changed out. The customer want everything in here like brand new. So we're gonna change out everything. We got the seat belts. All the seat belts has been done because when you get in an accident, they lock up. So everything's been changed out. Come in and check the starlights out. We got the starlights up. We changed all the airbags. All the airbags along this deal, curtains came down. We changed them out. So just stay tuned. We're gonna give you updates as we get them. So stay tuned.